Welcome to all. Today I am going to start new chapter number 6, multiples. In the previous video we have seen factors. What is factor? A number that are multiplied to get a product are called its factor. So now in this one we will learn the multiples. Multiple means that simply we can say it is a table. After this, in this one, some important facts are there. A number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. But in factor, what we have learned, every factor of a number is less than or equal to number itself. And there is no and to the multiple. You can get a particular number. It means there is no and of this multiple. But in factor, after some numbers, it is over. Find out whether one number is a multiple of another. Is 36 a multiple of 7? We can find. So multiple by doing the divide we can find, or by doing the table, multiple table. So we know that 7 table, 7 5s are 35, then 7 6 are 42. 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42. And what is our number? 36. So 36 will not come in table of 7. So it is not a multiple of 7. Now we can check some another example. Is 78 a multiple of 3? We can check by doing division. So if we don't know till 78 number the table, so we can do it divide. If there is no remainder, so 78 is a multiple of 3. Yes. 93 is a multiple of 7. We can find by doing the division. We get the remainder. If we get the remainder, it means it is not a multiple of that number. Okay. After this, now exercise 6a. First find the 5 multiple of each of the following. So we can find the 5 multiple of 2. It means 2 table till 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Same here, 6 table 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Then 7 table 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. So rest question, do it yourself. I have done only 4. Next question. Answer the following in yes or no. 48 is a multiple of 3. It means the 3 table 48 will come or not? Yes, it will come. We can check by doing the sum. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 means 12 will come in 3 tables. This answer is yes. Next, 72 is a multiple of 6. We can read the 6 table. 72 will come. Yes. This answer is also yes. 96 is a multiple of 6. We can do by division method. 6 ones are 6. Then remainder is 3. Then write 6. 6 6 are 36. 0 will be there. Yes. This also answer. Yes. Next is 38 is a multiple of 4. We can read 4 table. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. So no answer. Question number 3. Say whether the following are true or false. In this one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 are all multiple of 4 or not. We can find, how we can find in this one. See, this 4 multiple of 4 is 4, 8 and 12, not 2 and not 6. So answer is false. Next, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are all multiple of 3? Yes. Why? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. These all are coming in 3 table. So here answer is true. C. 1 is a multiple of every number. False. Why? Because every number is a multiple of 1. 1 is not a multiple of every number. D. 5 is a multiple of 25. False. Why? Because 5 is the factor of 25, not multiple of 25. Clear? Connecting factors and multiples. Now we can connect the factors and multiples. Factors and multiples are related. The product of two numbers is the multiply of both the numbers. So see, 3 and 5 are the factors and 15 is the multiple. 15 means what the answer we will get, that is multiple. So see, 15 is a multiple of 3 and 3 is a factor of 15. So these are the relation of factors and multiple. 15 is a multiple of 3. It means in 3 table 15 will come. Now 3 is a factor of 15. Yes, so 3 is a factor of 15. Same here, 15 is a multiple of 5 and 5 is a factor of 15. So these are the relation of factors and multiples. Now the next one we can do common multiples. So first we can find the multiple and then we can find the common. Like factor 1, first we have find the factor and then we have find the common factor. Common factor means we can compare it in both the common number, we can get it. See, multiple of 3 and multiple of 5. So read the 3 table and read the 5 table. At least 5 common factor we have to find. So till that 5 is completed, so we can stop them like this. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 appears in the both list of multiplication. So they are the common factor of 2 and 3. One more example is here, multiple of 3 and multiple of 6. So multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Now here we can find the common. So the common one are 6, 12, 18, then 24. So these are the common multiples of 3 and 6. Now exercise 6b. Question number 1 you don't have to do. From question number 2 we can start. Fill in the blanks using multiple or factor. So we have to identify which one is multiple and which one is factor. Just now we have learned in the connecting factors and multiple. See again page number 108. 15 is a factor of 3 and 3 is 15 is a multiple of 3 and 3 is a factor of 15. So same 4 is a factor of 24 and 24 is a multiple of 4. Same here 6 in this one multiple of 3 you can write the table of 3, then multiple of 5 you can write the table of 5, then you write the common number in this one box which are the common number of 3 and 5. Write it here. Question number 4. Ring the numbers that are multiple of 3. Put a square around the multiple of 4. List the common multiple. So in this one, circle, box, circle, box, circle, box. This is the common one. Then circle, box. Then circle, box, circle, box and circle also. Two common multiple. Then circle, box, then circle, box, then circle, then box and circle. So these are the three common multiples of 3 and 4. Next, use the number line to list the common multiple of in this one. So first we can mark for 2, then we can mark for 4. Okay, so then we can mark for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the common multiples 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This question, do it yourself. Next question. Question number 6. Find the first two common multiple of 5 and 6. Multiple of 5. So write down the table of 5, then table of 6. Now we have to find the common multiple of 5 and 6. So in this one, only one number we get common, but we want to this table you extend and this also you extend. So here one more number we get, that is 60. So the common numbers are 30 and 60. Next, 3 and 5. So first write the multiple of 3, then write the multiple of 5 like this. Then we can find the common. So 15 and 15 and 30 and 30. These two are the common. Same here, question number C. 2 and 4. So 2, 4, 6 and 8, 4 and 8. So we get this 2 common. So we can write it here. Now question number 7. State whether true or false. So 30 is a multiple of 5. Yes or no? We can write true or false. 30 is the multiple of 5. Yes. 18 is a multiple of 8. False. 7 is the multiple of 21. False. No. 7 is a factor of 21. 30 is the common factor of 5 and 6. Yes. True. So these are the answers of question number 7. Now we can see recap. In this chapter, we have learned multiples, connecting factors and multiples, common multiples. Now, for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box. Thank you.